Hey guys, so I hope you guys are loving this video or going to love this video. I am going to share with you something that is like a eggnog, but it's like it cleans you out. I cut up my beetroot, I skinned them, I didn't cook them or anything. I cut them on the roots off of them. I'm going to chop them up in little chunks real quick. I'm going to show you that. And I have carrots, I have condensed milk, and I have allspice, I have vanilla extract and cinnamon, and then I have some of the best water that doctors say that you can get, and I'm not an alkaline diet person. Let me just throw that out there for people to start talking about what I have here. But this is some of the best water that you can get. A lot of people think it's Dollar Tree water, but it's actually crystal glacier water, which is a really great water to drink. That is like the most alkaline you can get for the price in regular stores. So don't sleep on that water. Do your research. All right, so let's move on. Let me chop up my beetroot and show you how I get this done. And it is so freaking tasty. You can even trick your kids like to drink this. Like if they like milkshakes and smoothies and stuff like that, this right here will clean them out. It gives you energy. I'm telling you guys, the first time my client who's in Jamaica, one of my mentees, I literally did a video where he showed me the whole process of how to make it, right? And so I drank it the next day, and I literally went all day. It was like 6 o'clock in the morning, and I realized that I had not eaten all day. So yeah, it's that good. It's that good. Like I had so much energy. I was out running errands and everything, and it was like 5:45, and I was like, oh, I didn't eat nothing. I didn't eat anything today. Wasn't fasting or anything. So yeah, let's get into it. Now you definitely want to get you some gloves because beets do stain your hands, all right? I took the plantains and coconuts off the counter. It was just too much going on. All right, so let me chop these up real quick. All right, so look at that beetroot. Some of these have some beautiful colors. I don't know if that means it's not as ripe or whatever. Whatever, I'm gonna still use it. So we're going to get the water in here. Now this is not a recipe that I can give you precise measurements. It's kind of like you gotta go with the flow with this. So I'm gonna pour about a little less than half of the water in here. I'm gonna add the beets to it. I'm gonna add the carrots to it. And then I'm gonna blend that up, and then I'm going to add the other ingredients. And you don't want it too high, so let's get this blended. Make sure I got, because I had some, whoo, guys, I had some situations last time. Oh my gosh, hold on. Yep, had it on wrong. Let's blend this up real good. There we go. Continue blending until it's actually smooth. This is a really high powered blender. Yeah, so let's see. You see that? It's like it juiced it. Like it is really blend really well. Okay, stop. We're gonna blend it some more. I just want to get it smooth as possible. All right, I think we are in there. So now it's time for me to put in the and this is, the guy said, he's from Jamaica. He said this is kind of what they leave in their refrigerators. And they drink this versus drinking, I'm putting 1 can of the condensed milk in there versus drinking, you know, the high fructose syrup, juices and stuff like that. It's sweet, so it's like a treat, and also it cleanses you because of the beets and the carrots. So yeah, when I tell you, and guess what? My daughter, my 18-year-old is the one who is requesting this. Mommy, can you please make some more that beet drink? So she loves it because we love eggnog. And I said, well, this will be our eggnog for the holidays. Instead of using the eggs and doing the eggnog, you know, with the eggs, this literally tastes like eggnog. Like it is so freaking good. Like it is good, guys. Like surprisingly good. So I'm going to put that in there. And then once that is done, I'm going to put in some allspice, a little bit of that, and then I'm gonna put in vanilla. You really can't go wrong with these, and then some cinnamon, and then I'm gonna blend it some more. just had a big throw up all over my kitchen. Oh my gosh. Like, I thought, I mean, I did have it on the right way. I don't know what happened. I do not know what happened. I have no clue. So long story short, I did blend it. So after you blend it, you're going to take like a strainer or a sifter and get all the, this is like all of the pulp from the beets and the carrots. And then I'm going to put it in the blender with some water and just a little bit of water to thin it out again, strain it one more time. But I'm gonna blend it with this and then, you know, do it all over again. So boom, straining it out for the first time. Take this, put this in the blender with a little bit of water and this and a little bit of water, blend it and then add it to this in the blender, just a little bit. You don't have to do that, but I want to get as much as I can out of it. So, or you could just stop right here. You can literally stop right here, which I think I might because I'm just not in the mood. Like, guys, this just threw up all over my kitchen. When I say the dishwasher, the counters, my plants, the stove, the refrigerator, it's still on the cabinets over here. Like, I got like OCD tendencies, and so right now it's like irritating me that I can't clean it, and I'm trying to do this video. So yeah, I'm going to basically stop here. So this is what you can do, but you can take this, reblend it, and, you know, thin it out even more and get you more juice. But we're not doing that today. We just not doing that today. I'm not in the mood. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. I'm going to pour some and put this back in the blender. Just go through it just again, just to make sure I got everything, and then put some in a glass. So it has been strained, and I want to show you the thick consistency of it. Not as thick as a smoothie, but thicker than just regular liquid. So I'm going to go through with this again in my blender, and then we are done. But I'm going to rinse this out first. All right, so let's pour this in here. Let's run it through again because I still see some pulp in this, and then we should be done. And this is the pulp that I took out. This is what that looks like, so you can see that. If you bake or something, you might find something to do with this. Okay, that was the last time. So whatever comes out of here is what I'm going to put in my pitcher and put in the refrigerator. And this is why I wear gloves that even colored the towel. All right, let's pour this in here. Get this top off. You see we got more pulp, so I want to get that out. And we're done. I'm not, like, sometimes people will do it like 3 or 4 times and use all the pulp, but it's not as much pulp as before. So we are good. You see that? It's not hardly much at all. So that is done. Let me put it in the picture. Let's see what it looks like before I put it in the picture. All right, it is done, and it is in a glass. You can see the thickness of it, and this will go into the refrigerator, and it'll last about a week. So this is really good for energy, cleaning you out, all of the above. I'm about to guzzle this down, finish cleaning my kitchen, take a shower, then come back down to cook my glazed salmon. If you want to know about that recipe, there's a recipe on my channel, how to make honey glazed salmon. So check that out. We're having that tonight with some spinach and I think roasted potatoes. I was going to do plantains, but I don't feel like doing those. So yeah, that's what we're having. All right. I will talk to you guys later, Gators. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it below and I will get back to you guys. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and join the family and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I load a new video and you won't miss out. Guys, there's lots of videos to binge watch on this channel. I also have another channel, which is my spiritual and my more uplifting, inspirational channel. It's the CPR Vibe, and the link should be below. All right, later, Gators.